Snail. Good morning. Today we're in Hanoi, capital of Vietnam, and looking for some food and some coffee, which shouldn't be too hard to do since all you need to do is throw a rock in any direction and you'll hit something tasty and delicious. This is absolutely a food mecca. I spotted an alleyway over here full of people eating something. I think we should go and investigate. Puncha.
Dạ.
Con em.
Giờ này nó có xe rồi, tầm 2 giờ là nó hết xe.
I'll just keep having a look.
Bây giờ có rồi.
Okay, this one here, bun ok, looks and smells interesting. I think I might give it a go. Xin chào.
Xin chào.
Snails?
Snails.
Okay, I'll have one. Thank you.
Xin mời.
Snail soup. Never had snail soup before. Can I film?
Đấy.
Oh.
Đã về rồi.
Looks like it's got tomato in it. Very hot chili. And what's this one? Vinegar. Okay, thank you. Snail. Quite chewy, earthy tasting. You know what this one is? Name? So do you put that into there? Yeah?
Okay.
Try this broth. That broth is really nice. It's well balanced, sweet and salty, with a tomato flavour to it. I think this might be tofu.
Nó về đây à? Ở đây đâu?
Noodles, of course. I'd eat this again. This is actually really tasty. Snail soup. Who'd have thought? There's turmeric in here. That's what I can taste. That's what gives it the yellow flavour. Turmeric. It's tomatoey, turmericy, salty, flavoured soup. Really good. Oh, drink. Where do you get that?
Có một trà đá.
Thank you. Thank you. Is it? Ngon. Ngon. Yeah.
Ba.
Yeah. So it's a tofu that's flavoured with turmeric. Very unique.
Đầy đủ đã. Cho một cốc trà đá ra đây đi. Vâng, em mua đây. Anh dừng với mẹ. Ăn ngon trà đá không?
It's actually a banana. Never had banana in the soup before, but it works. It's got its skin on it and everything.
Ở đây à?
Come on. Ice tea. 50? Thank you. Bye bye. Very delicious. Nong. 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 Wow. I never thought that bananas, snails, tomato, tofu and turmeric would go together. But yeah, it's a really well balanced dish. Nong, delicious. This looks like a good little cafe to sit back and let my snails digest while I have a coffee. Hello. You do egg? Egg? No egg?
No. No egg coffee.
No egg coffee? That's okay. I'll just have, oh, you got a menu. Thank you. Great. Wonderful. What's a good Hanoi coffee? What do you drink in Hanoi? What's the normal coffee in Hanoi?
Bestseller ở đây là bestseller.
Oh, all these ones. Black coffee with mung bean, salted coffee with condensed milk. Ah, okay. One.
Okay.
Cafe Muối. Thank you. Okay. Here we are, Cafe Muối. Salted condensed milk, maybe. It's delicious. The only way to take the caffeine. The Hanoi Opera House is a grand old building. I'm out searching for some dinner, some local food. There's actually a tropical storm headed my way. Tropical storm Prapiroon, something like that. So it's going to be rainy for the next couple of days. Found this interesting street with a whole ton of local food, local dishes. So much to choose from, but yeah, I want to show you this one dish that's a favorite here in Hanoi. Just down the road here, I think. Here it is. Gatan Ban Quan Nong. Are you open? Oh, not open. Hello. Oh, not open yet. Okay. Oh, they're out of stock. Too popular. But so I asked him another good restaurant. He said just up the street here. Hello. You open? Yep. So it says beefsteak. So we'll see what comes. Wouldn't mind going to see where they cook it. Xin chào. Check out the flames. Wow, so that's steak, chips, egg, gravy, pate, and I think you get a bread roll with it too. And it's sizzling. So we've got some cucumber, dipping sauce maybe, bread rolls. You actually get 2 bread rolls. Do you wait? So you must dip the bread rolls into the meat in the sauce. Not sure. Okay. So it looks like you leave the lid on for a while so it keeps cooking. But it's ready to eat now.
Tay vừa rớt nè.
This is a dipping sauce. It's been a while since I had a steak. That looks good. Cooked to perfection. So tender. That's a damn good steak. This meal is genius. I wonder if this dish is local to Hoi An, or where it comes from. This grilled pate is so tasty. I love it. I like how they give you 2 bread rolls because they know that you're going to need it to soak up all this gravy with. Thank you. Bye. That was so good. So this is the name. Bít Tết, ngon. So 5. They've actually got ngon in their name, which means delicious. So it's you just know it's going to be delicious. Easy. So it looks like the storm has arrived. There are cafes that are open at night with a balcony that overlook the street. And that's where we're going to go to chill and have a look at Hanoi at night time. The skies are yellow. Can you see that? So that's where I want to get to. The only way I can see to get up there is down this nondescript alleyway. I think this is someone's house. How do I get up to Cafe Ngon? Yeah.
35, 37. Yeah.
Oh. Cafe Ngon? Okay. It's hidden behind the sticky tape. Here we go. This looks a bit more, well, a little bit more inviting. Not much. Okay. Thank you. Made it. Yeah, this would be a good place to sit for a while. Watch the world go round. Watch the world go by. That's a better way of saying it. I'm going to order for the first time a banana coffee.
What?
One.
Yeah,
Thank you. Why not? I had bananas in my snail soup this morning, so why not have bananas in my coffee tonight? Just no reason. Alright, my banana coffee has arrived. Let's give it a try. Wouldn't order it again. So I'm going to leave this vlog here, and I was thinking I've got a couple more days here in Hanoi, so I might be able to have time to do another food vlog, but yeah, I'll leave it up to you guys. If you, okay, how's this? If I can get to 500 likes on this video, I'll do a second Hanoi food vlog. And if you have any suggestions on what I should eat, leave them in the comments. And if you don't want to see another Hanoi food vlog, yeah, tell me that as well. Just do a thumbs down or something. Yeah, and also subscribe. Why not? So I'm going to leave this here. I'm going to, I did a time lapse of this street. I'm going to leave you with that, so don't go just yet. Okay, signing out. Peace.